Hello friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. In this video we are going to see how to make wheat halwa. This halwa is made using the wheat milk and I'm not using sugar. Instead I'm going to use Karuppati, which is also called palm sugar. Before we start, I must say this tasted very close to the Tirunelveli halwa. It doesn't take much of the effort, so please do try it and I'm sure you're going to love it. Take a huge bowl and add 1 cup of wheat flour. Add little water and make a chapati dough. Take a muslin cloth and wrap the dough inside it. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of water inside the bowl and let this rest for 3 hours. It's been 3 hours, the dough has soaked well in the water. We can now start squeezing the dough to get the milk. This is the easy way to extract the milk. So all the waste will remain inside the cloth and it is easy to discard. I'm going to add another cup of water in a separate bowl and extract the remaining milk. Combine both the milk and leave this undisturbed for at least 45 minutes. The thick milk is settled at the bottom. Carefully pour the watery liquid into another pan. Using this thick milk only we are going to make the halwa. Let's start making the jaggery syrup. To make this I am using the excess water that was collected from the milk and I am going to add the Karuppati. I have used 250 grams of palm sugar for 1 cup of wheat flour. Once the jaggery is melted, filter the syrup and remove all the impurities. Take a non-stick or a heavy bottomed pan and add a tablespoon of ghee. Add some cashews and roast them until they turn brown and set them aside. Keep the flame low and pour the jaggery syrup. Stir the milk well and pour it gently into the pan. Keep stirring the mixture in another hand when you keep pouring. The flame has to be low. You can see the color of the mixture has changed. I have kept the flame on medium. The halwa has started to thicken. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and continue to stir. Once the ghee is absorbed, add tablespoons of ghee again and keep stirring. Repeat this process until the halwa starts letting out the ghee. The halwa has turned glossy. It's time to add the fried cashews. The ghee has started to separate from the sides. We can now turn off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. The healthy version of the wheat halwa is ready. Please do try it at home and post your comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel Fresh Bites.